The world is turning digital. The world is changing, faster now than ever. Accelerating the digital revolution. But digital isn't something we just do or use. Digital is something we have to become, making the future now. Digital is connecting to unite our patients with their devices. Digital is empowering to enable customized patient care. Digital is limitless to achieve what has not been done before. Digital is revolutionary to make data a powerful tool for our customers. And that's why we invest in technologies to bridge the gap between digital and humanity. So we can enter the new digital world together. Ottobock is digital. Ottobock is human.